Look inside the rabbit hole. Set me free from you. Somebody please keep me from twisting. Keep me from twisting.
Look at these two acting like they're working.
Keep me from somebody. Please keep me from twisting. Keep me from twisting. Keep me from twisting. Somebody please help me. Keep me from twisting. Keep me from twisting. Keep me from twisting. Keep me from somebody. Please keep me from twisting. Keep me from twisting. Keep me from twisting. On and on. What kind of spell you put on me? I've lost all sense and can't feel. Only you can make me whole. I don't wanna lose my soul. I'm so scared I let it breathe.
What do you think? Looks good.
I'm sorry
What?
that I didn't call you before. Reason is Alex. He was rushing with the shit.
It's always my fault. I got blamed today for Steve not going to Home Depot or well,
No, we left Best Buy to go to Home Depot, and we left like the complex instead.
You coming tomorrow?
yeah.
Make sure your moped is ready for me.
Talk to me. What's going on?
Carrying the heads apart so you can get cleaning. One of the heads of the cleaning machine. Moment that we cannot lose our focus because every part here has to go with order. So let's say I'm taking this valve shim from the intake valve, and I gotta keep the shims with the valve. So it comes in.
Can I use this to hit a corner?
Yeah.
Dude, that's a Ferrari part.
Maybe I go there, he's hitting the valve as a shim.
Hold on.
Get the valve retainers out. Half of the retainer.
Oh my God, it's
Should be easier. We lose the spring load.
Safety first, people. Always.
Go on, make me look good.
Do that all yourself. Stay tuned. Next video, we'll get some more progress.